perspective or
How to
another
answer it? I don't know.
How can you rate your striking right? 0-0 this game and before?
I said, did you count chances?
yeah.
Zero. What to say?
That's the problem.
What to say? The game before all the time. If you manage 7, 8 or 9 or 6, doesn't matter and you didn't score. What to say?
Any
Who is
message
the
for
one to be
APR
judged
fans?
for those results? If
No,
you say you don't want to talk about it,
I don't
then
want to judge
we are
no
going
one.
to judge
No.
who?
My players are my players, of course.
It's up to you. As
If you like,
coach.
if you like, up to me.
Any message,
if you like.
any message for APR fans for the trophy?
Sorry.
Is it still any message for
We
APR
had
fans?
before this game 30 points in the on the table. Still we had a lot of matches. It's, and in theory you are out, but in theory still we are here. Still we are in Peace Cup. Semi-final.
Coach, are you feeling any pressure anyway?
Pressure, Of course, that we have to react with the pressure. It's normal. Football, all the time you are in the pressure. Depends about which kind. Of course, it's not good feelings when you sometimes perform and create a lot of chances you didn't score. Of course, those feelings are not good. Okay, left pressure.
Any plan in the international break for your player that
Of course, they have to. Many of them took some days rest because from 20 to January we played 12 matches. If you count, this is less than 45 days. And of course, you will have national team players, and we will see who will be on the list. And after that, we will manage those days.
Coach, it seems that your first 11 is not somehow changed, and your results, I think you're not satisfied for the results. Why don't you try some players like Kamte, like...
Lamptey is not here.
Lamptey?
Why?
Lamptey is
Why?
not
Why?
Do you know, do you read what happened with his family before 20 days? 15 days. He lost the sister and he was the bad feelings. Before he was near to play one match, but he was before 20 days very bad. It happened before his sister died. After that, his sister died, now he's in down.
Yeah, we've seen some changes. By the time you put Rwandan players, you get them some points. Why don't you return to that approach to get some good results compared to this one players?
Now you ask me about Rwandan. Before Rwandan are not good, and now professionals are here, and now why are not Rwandan? It's not easy to manage. Of course, we have 6 wingers. We have to care about all of them.
Coach, according to what we see today, it seems like APR fans, they are very angry for you because you don't give them the results they want.
Okay.
Any message for them?
It's okay. It's okay. They are angry. I'm angry too because of result. Of course, it's normal. I cannot be happy because we play 0-0.
And
Enough.
no, before you go.
Thank you.
The last
Enough,
one,
enough,
coach.
enough,
The last
enough.
one.
And all the best.
No, coach, I just want to